The last clue. Detective Alex Reynolds was known for his unorthodox methods and sharp instincts. When he received a call about a murder at an upscale gallery during an art exhibition, he knew this case would be different. The victim, a renowned art critic named Robert Lang, had been found slumped over a priceless painting, his lifeblood pooling beneath him. The gallery was in chaos, with guests screaming and the police barricading the scene. Alex surveyed the room, his eyes darting from the guests to the art pieces. It was a tight-knit community, and everyone had a motive. As he interviewed the gallery owner, Julia, he sensed her unease. She explained that Robert had planned to write a scathing review of the exhibition, which could ruin her business. Meanwhile, a local artist, Victor, had been in heated discussions with Robert over his controversial critiques. As Alex dug deeper, he discovered a secret affair between Robert and a promising young artist, Clara. Their passionate relationship was riddled with jealousy and betrayal. Clara claimed she had been in her studio all night, but her alibi was shaky at best. Alex decided to visit her studio, where he found a hidden compartment in her easel containing a bloody handkerchief, a crucial piece of evidence. The next day, during a confrontation at the gallery, Clara broke down and confessed. In a moment of rage, she had confronted Robert about their relationship and the potential fallout. But just as she was about to reveal the full story, Julia interjected, her expression cold. "You won't ruin my gallery, Clara," she hissed. Alex pieced together the final clue. Julia had orchestrated the murder, using Clara as a scapegoat. As the police took Julia away, Alex felt a mix of triumph and sorrow. In the world of art, beauty often concealed dark secrets, and he was left to ponder how ambition could lead to destruction. Life lesson: ambition unchecked can lead to devastating consequences. Sometimes the price of success is too high. English lesson: word of the day, scathing, critical in a harsh or severe manner. Example: Robert's scathing review threatened to ruin Julia's gallery.